So my name is Gurpreet Singh Atwal, and I'm a Delhiite. Right now I'm running my own business. My overall band score is 8. So I scored 8 in all of the sections except for writing, and the preparation style was like common. I did a lot of practice for all the sections, and learning the pattern of the exam I think is the most important thing. Because even if you know the language and you don't know the pattern, you're bound to make mistakes. So as I've mentioned, that you have to learn the pattern of all the sections, that is listening, reading, writing and speaking, and then you have to practice. So I practiced at least 10 mock tests, and I think the most helpful material I found was IELTS Cambridge books ranging from 10, 11 and 12, because they are the most difficult ones. And I used to practice my speaking with my spouse, who is also a very fluent English speaker. So that helped a lot, I guess. The primary reason for me taking this computer-based IELTS was that I wanted faster results, right? Because I wanted to apply to certain universities as soon as possible. So that is the primary reason. The other reason is that you don't have to write each and everything on your a piece of paper. You just have to select few buttons, and I'm pretty good with keyboard, so that was the other reason why I took computer-based IELTS. I've always found listening section to be the most difficult one, especially section 2 and 3, where multiple speakers, they speak at once, and then you have to select certain answers out of them. So I practiced it a lot. I specifically practiced those sections 2, 3 and 4 as much as possible, because there's lots of material available over YouTube. And then I've already mentioned that there are certain books as well, which you can prefer. And so basically it's trying and testing, right? You take the test, you mention or figure out your mistakes, and then you have to fix those mistakes by looking at the answers. So I've watched a lot of YouTube videos. I don't remember the names as such, but then there are plenty available, and all of them are like good, and they present different styles, different kind of vocabulary. So it's important to go through all of those videos, or as much videos as possible. And the other important practice material is, as I've mentioned, is IELTS Cambridge books, which are really helpful. So you have to maintain your composure, especially for the very first section, which is listening, because once you miss the whatever is being said, it's gone. So you have to be very careful on that section, and then so you have to maintain your overall composure throughout the test. Well, the strategy is again that you have to plan in advance. For instance, in your writing section, I think you should give at least 5 minutes for the planning, right? How you're going to write, and then start it instead of just reading the question and start writing straight away. And same thing goes for your reading section as well. You have to learn how to skim, because you cannot read each and everything. So skimming is something which again you need to practice. I would like to say that there are no shortcuts for success. You have to practice as much as you can, and then imbibe certain habits in you, like reading newspapers on daily basis, speaking to people in English as much as possible. So that will certainly help.